Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Stargazer Wallet application. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your Stargazer application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your wallet by entering your wallet's login password. After logging into your wallet, from the main homepage of Stargazer Wallet, you will be able to see your wallet's name at the top. Simply tap on the gear icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on Wallets under Settings at the very top. Tap on the main wallet or the wallet that you are trying to change your name, and then right next to wallet name, go ahead and erase the current name and type in a new name you would like to add as your wallet. Type in the new name you would like to change to. Finally, tap on Save in order to save your change, and there you have successfully changed your name on Stargazer Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.